Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Todoist for goal setting and tracking. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First, you'll need to create a new project in Todoist. This is where you'll house all the tasks related to your goal. To do this, click on the plus icon on the left sidebar, then select New Project. The reason we do this first is it helps us keep our tasks organized under relevant goals. Next up, add a task to your project. Click on the Add Task button, type in your task, then hit Enter. This is where you'll break down your bigger goal into manageable tasks. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so breaking down your goal into tasks is a crucial step towards achieving them. Now that we've done that, let's set a due date for each task. Click on the Schedule button for each task and select a due date. This helps us because it acts as a reminder and keeps us on track towards achieving our goal. Once your tasks have due dates, it's time to prioritize them. To do this, click on the Priority button and select a priority level from P1 to P4. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're focusing on the most important tasks first, helping us to effectively manage our time and resources. Finally, you'll want to monitor your progress. You can do this by visiting the Productivity section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a visual representation of your completed tasks, which will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to stay on track. In conclusion, using Todoist for goal setting and tracking involves creating a new project, adding tasks, setting due dates, prioritizing tasks, and monitoring your progress. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. That's all for today. Remember, the key to achieving your goals lies in breaking them down into manageable tasks and tracking your progress. Keep at it, and you'll be amazed at what you